What if 10 tiny building blocks could unlock the meaning of over 500 Chinese words? That's the power of radicals. Today we'll master 10 common ones to help you crack the secrets of Hanzi. Let's dive in. Just a quick reminder. Most characters are a combo of a radical that gives you the meaning, and another part that often hints at the sound. Today we are focusing on the meaning. Number 1 is mian, the roof radical. This is for anything related to houses, buildings, or being inside. 家 home. 客 guest, a person who stays under a roof. 安 safe, a woman under a roof is safe. 室 room. A roof overhead, it's about home safety or space. Number 2 is mu, eye. It's your visual clue for anything related to seeing, looking, or sight. 看 look. 眼 eye. 睛 eyeball. Often used in the word 眼睛 eyes. Again, mu confirms it's related to the eye. 睡 sleep, eyes drooping. If you see the mu radical, the character is almost always related to looking, seeing, or the eye itself. 犬 animal, dog. This one is easy to remember. 犬 is the animal radical, derived from 犬, meaning dog. If you see it, you are almost always dealing with an animal. 狗 dog. 猫 cat. 猴 monkey. 猪 pig. Spot 犬, you are in the zoo, think animals. 食 food, eat. Who's hungry? 食 is the simplified form of 食, food. This radical is all about what you eat and drink. 饭 rice. 饿 hungry. 饮 drink. 饱 full. If you see 食, think food and eating. Now for something sharp. 刀 knife. 刀is a form of 刀 knife. It's all about cutting, carving, sharpness, or separation. 刮 shave. 刻 carve. 利 sharp. 别 don't, separate. A blade that cuts apart for farewells or refusal. Spot 刀, it's your clue that something's being cut, carved, or sharpened. Radical 6 is strong and shiny. 金 metal, gold. 金is the simplified form of 金, gold or metal. Look for this in words for elements, tools, and money. 钱 money. 银 silver. 铁 iron. 钟 clock. 金 on the left, think metal, money, or tools. 呢 sickness. This is a specific but useful one. 呢 is the sickness radical, and it's your go-to clue that the character has something to do with illness, pain, or healing. 病 sickness. 疼 pain. 瘦 thin. Sickness can make you lose weight. 疗 treat. When you spot 呢, the character is usually about something uncomfortable or medical. Number 8 is all about connection. 丝 silk, thread. 丝 is a simplified form of 丝, silk, or thread. Whenever you see this radical on the left side of a character, think of threads, lines, and things that tie together. 线 thread, line. 纸 paper. Early paper was made using plant fibers, inspired by silk. 经 pass through, longitude. Vertical line, like the thread running through. 级 level, grade. Ascending steps, like threads ordered in sequence. If you see 丝 on the left, the word probably has to do with threads, ties, or weaving things together. Now for a more abstract one. 腹 mound, hill. 腹 comes from 腹, meaning a mound or hill. When you see it on the left, think about terrain, levels, or going up and down. 院 courtyard. 阳 sun, the sunny side of the hill. 阴 shade, the shady side of the hill. 队 team, people lined up on a slope. 腹 on the left, think land, height, and direction. And for our final radical, a classic trickster. 月 moon, flash. But when it's on the left side of a character, it's often a transformed version of the flash radical. It's related to the body. 脸 face, 腿 leg, 脚 foot, 朋 friend. Two moons side by side equals friends. 月 on the left, think body parts. On its own or right, think moon or time. Alright, that's 10 radicals. Let's do a quick review before the quiz. Number 1 is 棉, the roof radical. Number 2 is 目, eye. 犬 is the animal radical, derived from 犬, meaning dog. Who's hungry? 食 is the simplified form of 食, food. 刀 knife. 金 is the simplified form of 金, gold or metal. 呢 is the sickness radical. 丝 is the simplified form of 丝, silk or thread. 腹 comes from 腹, meaning a mound or hill. 月 moon, flash. Think you got it? Let's test your new skills. I'll show you a character. You guess the general meaning based on the radical. Pause if you need more time. 安 safe, roof radical. 棉 猫 cat, animal radical. 犬 钱 money, metal radical. 金 病 sickness, sickness radical. 呢 脸 face, flash, body radical. 月 incredible! You've just added 10 more powerful tools to your Chinese learning kit. You're starting to see the code behind the characters. To help you master the 10 radicals from this video, I've put together a free PDF with all of them, plus examples. The link is in the description below. Now let me know in the comments, which of these new radicals do you see most often? What word certainly makes sense to you now? And finally, if this video was useful, Please give it a like and subscribe for more ways to learn smarter, not harder. 好了，我是 Angel，我们下次见。